Welcome! If you want to change screen recorder quality in your HUAWEI MatePad 11, first of all need install this application, X Recorder from app gallery, this one. Go into app gallery and find screen recorder application. And this one, screen recorder and video, X Recorder. So go into this application, and here on the bottom we got settings option, so click it, and here second option in the list will be quality. Now I get automate quality, and when you select on quality position you can choose, for example, 16 megabits, and for saving, choosing, and it save automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.